Hi everyone, it's Laura Christine from Kitchen Garden Expert, where passionate gardening education is my thing. So today we are going to talk about getting our potatoes ready for planting. So if you are new to growing potatoes, the first step that you need to do is get some seed potatoes. Now there are many options to seed potatoes. A lot of the big box kinds of stores will sell seed potatoes. You can also buy them online. What to look for? Well, if you would like to go the organic route, always look for organic certified seed potatoes. It basically means that that potato has been tested and it is basically free of disease. They also trace it back to its origin, so if there is a problem, they can go back and figure out why. And then of course the organic piece is it hasn't been grown with anything that has chemicals. So let me first show you what to look for if you are actually going out and buying locally some seed potatoes. This is a Yukon Gold seed potato, and it's been pretty beat up, I'm guessing from just when they harvested it. But one thing to pay attention to is it's almost got like fungus already growing on it. So I would stay away from this type of potato just because of that kind of stuff on it. It might have been sitting on another potato and started to rot, or who knows. But that would be one example of just to stay away, and it's pretty dinged up. Here is a better choice. It's still got a few little things. Well, not really. I was going to say I thought there was a crack in there, but as you can tell, there's your eyes again, but it's pretty unscathed. So that would be, of course, your best choice. The process to get your potato to the eyes is called chitting. And chitting basically is forcing this potato to produce eyes. And we kind of do that without knowing that we're doing that. How many times have we stored potatoes, like in the closet or wherever you keep your potatoes, and you've forgotten about them or whatever, and you're like, oh my gosh, they're full of eyes. Well, you could actually plant it, because these are little sprouts from the potato, and of course the potato seed has sprouts. So when you get your potato seed, if you don't have these eyes, the best way to chitting these potatoes is to put them out of the light, but in a warm area to where they will sprout. Okay, so here's a potato that we're going to prepare for planting. And the best rule of thumb is to try and have a maximum of 2 sprouts or eyes on your wedge of potato. Now this one is a pretty big sprout, so I just kept it to 1. But this one has 2. So what do you do with this? If you don't want to try and let it sprout, we can eat it. So now that you've cut everything into chunks, the next step to do to prevent mold or fungus from growing on this cut area, and that would basically destroy your potato seed, we are going to sterilize this. And there are 2 different ways you can do that. You can cover this in honey, or you can dip it in powdered sulfur. Both those options will prevent, this is a starch, so it's going to attract mold and fungus, and it'll prevent those types of bacterias and fungi and all of that from growing on the cut. And it'll also, this is the sulfur I use. It is a commercial grade. It's created through an organic production, so it's not chemicalized per se when they create it. And I basically just take my potato seed and dip it in here. So after you have protected this cut from the mold and fungus, the best way to store them is cut side up. with your potato eyes facing down in egg cartons. It'll allow for circulation as they cure. Basically, you'll know when they're ready to plant. You let these cure for about a week. They'll kind of get a scab over the top of them. They'll look kind of gnarly and dried up. And then you know it's time to plant your potato seeds. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I hope this information was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening information. Until next time, have a fantastic gardening day. Bye-bye.